How to share a location or a place on Google Street View to Instagram. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to the app like this. Now as you can see, let's explore and choose the location that you want. For example, I'm gonna choose this one, and now let's say that you want to share this location right here. All what you have to do is simple. Click on it like this and go down. Click on this icon right here, as you can see. Swipe right until you find Instagram and click on it, and it will be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.